Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is on how to make Amira instant hijab. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using 50 inches by 25 inches fabric, and I'm using the lycra fabric. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold my fabric into two. After which I will come to the folded edge, and I'm going to take 10 inches there, which is my edge circumference divided by 2, since the fabric is folded into two. So from the 10 inches point, I'm just going to slant my tape to the last edge of the fabric, and I'm going to make a line there. So I'll just go ahead and use my ruler to make the lines more prominent. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to that down part, and I'm going to get the midpoint. So after checking the midpoint, I'll just come to my slanted line. I will go up by 5 inches. And this is to give our hijab the front hijab curve. So from that 5 inches point, I'm just going to make a curve to the midpoint of the down parts. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to cut it out. And I'm just going to notch the midpoint of my hijab piece. So for my remaining pieces, I'm going to cut out my hijab cap from it. I'm just going to fold it into two first, after which I'm going to fold into four. And then at that edge, I'm going to take 10 inches. And at the other edge, I'll take 4 inches for my hijab cap width. After which I'll connect the 2 points. And I'm just going to cut it out. And then I will notch the midpoints. So the next thing is to fix our hijab cap to our hijab. So to do this now, I'm just going to open up my hijab piece with the right side facing me. And I'm going to put the hijab cap on it, right side facing each other. And I'm going to start pinning from the notched parts of both pieces. So after pinning it, I'll just take it to my sewing machine and I'm going to stitch it round. So after stitching, this is what I have. So the next thing is just to join the front part of my hijab piece. I pinned it already. So I'll just take it to my sewing machine and join the parts. So after joining, this is what we have. The next thing and the final thing is just to hem the down part of my hijab. I'll just fold it twice and I'll just hem it. So after hemming, this is what we have. So this is the finished look of our hijab. I hope you find the tutorial helpful, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.